back to talking about bases. One of the strongest bases in our house is Drano. Drano is used to pour down drains and unclog them from greases and fats and hair cells and dirt and all that. It helps lubricate that because it's slippery and dissolve things as well, so it can break up hair clumps and all the nasties that get down in there. Alright, now, most acids and bases occur in water, therefore we must consider the following equilibrium. I hate how this does that. Alright, so that equilibrium is how water breaks into H plus and OH minus. We've gone over that. Alright? Think about these things that I'm about to say. As a solution becomes more acidic, meaning there's an increase in H plus, the OH must decrease. We said that just 10 minutes ago. Next line, as a solution becomes more basic, that's a decrease in H plus, the OH must increase. Alright, because once again, if one goes up, one has to go down. Excuse me. Alright, now, let's scan down to this picture. Fill in the following table in your lab book. Alright, you should be able to see that whole thing now. You need to draw exactly what you see. Make sure that you understand sort of what it's saying also. It's saying right here, I don't know if it's doing anything. Well, let's take a picture of it real quick so we can make sure I can talk about it. Alright, what this is saying is if I have a lot of hydronium or H plus, if I have a lot of it, it's very big. I have very little OH, and that means I'm acidic. But as I move across this scale, I become equal here, and that means I'm neutral. Because if I keep going, now the OH dominates, and there's very little H plus, and that makes it basic. Okay, you can ignore all of the lines that I did, but you should hopefully make sure and understand that. Acids, big H, little OH. Neutral, they're the same. Bases, big OH, little H plus. Alright, then you can see a few of these things. The acids, stomach acid, lemons, vinegar, soft drink, oranges, tomatoes, rainwater, milk. Most of those things are things that we take into our body or are already there. Alright, and then bases. Blood is just barely basic. Eggs are a little basic. But these things we would never take into our body. They would make us very ill. So, we don't want to have a lot of acid in our systems. But a little bit of acid is good for us. Now, not what you're thinking, Andrew. Not at all. I'm talking acids and bases. Alright, so make sure you have this. I'll let Steve stop it now. You just fill that out.